Welcome back to the channel. With this beautiful late April weather finally warming up Snotton, it is the absolute perfect time to step outside and evaluate the spaces we typically ignore. When we think of exterior design, we usually focus on the grand front curb appeal or the sprawling backyard. But the side yard, that narrow, forgotten corridor between your house and the property line, holds incredible potential. Often reduced to a muddy path for hiding the trash cans or storing the hose, a side yard can actually be transformed into a highly sophisticated, intimate outdoor oasis. Because the space is narrow and enclosed, it naturally feels private and secluded. Today, we are going to look at cinematic variations of a luxury side yard design. We'll explore how to balance heavy architecture, defined walkways, and crisp landscaping to turn this neglected corridor into the most inviting space on your property. To make a narrow side yard functional, you must create a clear destination. We achieve this by carving an elegant covered outdoor dining area directly into the architecture of the home. Notice the large, arched opening leading into the patio. Framing this opening with heavy off-white curtains that are elegantly tied back instantly softens the masonry and blurs the line between indoor and outdoor living. Inside the covered area, a light-colored dining set rests on warm, terracotta-colored tiles. This creates a deeply shaded, romantic pocket. It is the absolute perfect spot to sit with a fresh slice of homemade egg bread and a coffee in the morning, completely shielded from the elements but fully connected to the garden. The addition of large, white, urn-style planters filled with bright red flowers along the patio's edge grounds the space and introduces vibrant color right at eye level. Because a side yard is a transitional space, traffic flow is critical, but a single straight concrete path will make the area look like a bowling alley. We need to break up the geometry. We do this by introducing two distinct walkways. First, a structured path made of multicolored, warm-toned rectangular pavers runs tight alongside the patio step, handling the heavy foot traffic. Adjacent to this, a secondary, more whimsical path made of square, light gray stepping stones curves gracefully through a vibrant, lush green lawn. This secondary path slows the eye down and introduces organic movement. It provides a clean, dry route that is durable enough for the dog to run down during his daily perimeter patrols without kicking mud everywhere or trampling the delicate garden beds. In a narrow space, unruly plants will quickly make the area feel overgrown and claustrophobic. The landscaping here must be intentional, sharp, and highly structured. Along the edge of the lawn, we utilize small, sharply manicured, conical evergreen trees. Volua can be pretty stubborn about keeping the main lawn open and organized, and confining these evergreens to neatly defined beds of crisp white decorative gravel is the perfect solution. The bright white gravel creates a high contrast boundary that makes the green of the lawn and the trees pop. Accenting these structured evergreens with clusters of low-growing orange and red flowers adds seasonal warmth without sacrificing the clean architectural lines of the side yard. Further back, a leafy, multi-stemmed green shrub provides a softer natural texture against the stark walls. The biggest challenge of a side yard is dealing with the massive, blank walls that define it, whether that is your neighbor's house or a boundary fence. Instead of ignoring these walls, we must integrate them into the design. On the right side of this space, the windowless wall of the neighboring building acts as a quiet, neutral backdrop. But in the background, the property is enclosed by a highly decorative masonry privacy wall. This back wall isn't just a barrier, it's a feature. It includes a white lower section featuring a series of recessed arches, some of which actually contain built-in outdoor seating. Capping this wall with a peach-colored upper section and a dark metal railing pulls the color palette from the main house all the way to the back of the property, making the narrow side yard feel like a cohesive, fully realized outdoor room. Finally, a narrow corridor can become quite dark as the sun goes down, hidden in the shadows of the adjacent buildings. Proper lighting is essential to make the space usable in the evening. We utilize layered lighting to create ambiance. Classic white wall sconces mounted on the house provide functional, overhead exterior lighting for the dining area. To guide the journey down the path, small white vintage-style post lights are spaced deliberately along the grass. This low-level lighting washes over the crisp white gravel and highlights the textures of the conical evergreens without creating harsh, blinding glare. It turns a narrow walkway into a glowing, magical sanctuary under the soft, pale blue evening sky. Thank you for joining me on this masterclass in exterior architecture. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.